Good morning, Facebook. Social media for social change. This is from Mark Zuckerberg. Y'all made me change my account again today, this morning. Y'all shut me out. Had to get my driver's license, all this other whatever. I've been using social media for social change. So whoever been banning me, blocking me, trying to keep my voice from being heard. I was making a movie about the Democratic Party in Illinois, Chicago, Waukegan, Lake County, Illinois, and Baltimore City and Baltimore County in Annapolis, the Maryland Black Caucus. I was kidnapped by the state because I was fighting the war on drugs through social media. N62528. I'm the founding member of the Baltimore Block in Baltimore, Maryland. I'm the owner of Shorty's Underground Rib Shack. I'm the owner of Shorty's Bootleg Barbecue. I'm a founding president of Shorty's self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. I'm an activist. I'm a community organizer. I'm an independent filmmaker. I'm a documentaire. And I've been using social media to document everything I've been doing since 2006. Governor O'Malley approved this program in 2006 called Get Shorty. And y'all got more shorty than you could stand. I've been fighting the war on drugs since 1986. And it's documented with the FBI, the Department of Justice. I got a case file. But that file, you don't want to make public. So, like I said, we getting ready to talk about money and the art of making money. I'm out $2.6 million in lost wages and the state won't give me an audit. President Trump know about this. Ellen DeGeneres knows about this. So we're going to break this down from the beginning till now. All right? You ready for this? I got a constitutional right. Taxation without representation is a violation of my constitutional right. I paid a lot of taxes and y'all ain't represented me. I'm a whistleblower. And the same protections that y'all gave to people against Donald Trump, I'm a black radical Republican. I'm a registered Republican. Long before that lady in the red dress and the red shoes came strutting through the neighborhood, I was been in the front line. I'm a caterer. I've been in a Democrat's house, like the spook who sat by the door. So I made a movie about it. Names, dates, and you can't lie and you can't deny it. Camera don't lie. People do. That's why I put the camera on you. Click, aim, and shoot, copy, paste, and send. I'm not looking for friends. I'm looking for change. And the people that join my underground is for that change. I got 5,000 friends. My friends got friends, so we got a network. But everybody on my Facebook page ain't my friend. I got the government watching. I got snitches watching. I got my haters watching, but I don't mind. Don't bother me. It ain't work when you're having fun. And you know I have fun doing this. So we're going to start from the beginning. We're going to start straight from the beginning. That's the United States Constitution. I got a right to make a movie. And I was making a movie about the war on drugs and the Democratic Party. Like I said, get out to vote. Black votes matter. Black bodies do too. That's me, out for justice. And we're not just going to accept what you're doing to us. We're talking about the Constitution. So you're going to learn something today. That's the Constitution. Congress. The First Amendment. All right? But I'm more interested in the Fifth Amendment because taxation without representation is a violation of my constitutional rights. I was making a movie and a documentary about y'all, and y'all took my property. Property. All right? That's the Fifth Amendment. Now, like I said, you kidnapped me from my home. That's 1402 Lochner. And I asked to be deported before you kidnapped me on the census in 2010. I've been policing the police, and y'all call me that man from Zion. I've been policing the police for the longest, and y'all call me that man from Zion. That's one of the movies I made, That Man from Zion, Letters to Zion. It's about corruption in your courts and the police and how you protect the corruption with your police department and your courts and the politicians. I'm a whistleblower on Scott Schellenberger and criminal charges before the 2020 elections. And these are the supporters of Shorty's. This is lifestyles and the money y'all make off of us. That's Marilyn Mosby and Nick Mosby. That's Judge Bell. That's Jack Young and Adrian Jones. That's Congressman Cummings. All right? And that's a lifestyle. That's from 2014. Because like I said, I was making a movie about y'all. This is to prove I was making a movie in the judicial system. All right? expires. The toilet is a political statement. Commode Emotion. That's one movie. And The Art of Getting Money is 2 movies. Where's the Beef? Yeah. That's me. That's the first dollar I made in Baltimore, Maryland. Right here. And that's my wife, Margaret. And these are the supporters of Shorties. And this is the first story y'all wrote about me. All right? Right there, Dwayne Davis. I'm white, so I want my white privilege. This is one of the movies I was making. I'm white and I want my white privilege. See that? That's white. That's white. That's Lake County, Illinois. I was born in 1959 on 14th Street. My daddy's name is Joseph, and that's certified. You feel me? North Chicago, Illinois. I'm not from around here. Race, white. Male. 12/26/59. This is my resume, so y'all can see that I'm built for this. All right? D.D. Shortman. My educational level. Obtained a GED. Attended Waukegan High School. Shorty's Bootleg Barbecue. Shorty's Underground Ribs. Asbestos and lead removal. Self-employed. Firefighter. Nurse's aide. Board of Elections clerk. Lake County, Illinois. Registered voters. Monitored elections. Tailored results. Filed paperwork concerning elections and candidates. Voters. See that? That was in 79. United States Navy. Honorably discharged. Administrative assistant to the engineering officer. Lead fireman. Hull technician. Biological and chemical response for nuclear fallout. I'm also a businessman, and I own Shorties. And I was making a movie about your judicial system. Now you can go to President Trump. Let me get this right. You can go to President Trump and get this. All right? Here you go. This is mail receipts delivered 9/2019. That's Ellen DeGeneres. And President Trump. And this is who I was making a movie about. Like I said, Facebook. Google, Bing, Facebook. Dwayne G. Davis. That's media. Kai Jackson, Justin Burke, Adam May, Barry Sims, Karen Park, Mark Collins, Mike Shue, Richard Scher, David Smith, Fox 45. Witness list, toilet recipients, State Attorney Shudenberger, Bernstein, Governor O'Malley, Congressman Cummings, Senator Cardin, Mikulski, all members of the Baltimore City Council, Jack Young, Bill Henry, Carl Stokes, Attorney General Carl Snowden, Judge Turnbull, Judge Bell, Judge Pearson, Mayor Rawlins, and Mayor Dixon. Y'all locked me up because I was shitting on y'all, telling you how y'all was making money off of Governor O'Malley's mom machine. Stopping, frisking, zero tolerance. Y'all got mad because I applied for Martin Luther King's job. Ain't no law against that. That's been vacant for 50 years. Somebody got to do it. That's the NAACP. See that? See that? Making a movie about y'all. Julian Bond, Falls Road, your fellowship. See that? United States District Court. Senate Bill 374, accessing the grand jury. I want to access the grand jury before the 2020 elections. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. And Governor Hogan got it. Bobby Zirkin got it. The Senate Judiciary Chairman got it. Valario got it. And y'all done had it for the longest. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. That's the case number in Baltimore County. Because that's where you stole my property. This is my jailhouse diary. This is the first draft. part of my jailhouse diary. And we don't need to go through the whole diary. Exposing safe community, envisioning safe community town halls, regional conference. That's me, Shorty Davis. Police brutality, political transparency. All right? Shut them down, Shorty. That's me. That's Amnesty International 2014. That's Shut them down, Shorty. And I shut it down. Shorties, the self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. That's Amnesty International. That's the NAACP. That's Julian Bond again. U.S. Department of Justice and Prisons, Mid-Atlantic Division. See the date? 2007. Cockeysville, Maryland. NAACP. Kwasi and Fumi knew about this. Congressman Cummings knew about this. The Maryland Black Caucus. This is the Maryland Black Caucus. 1402 Lochner. I was kidnapped. That's 2009. That's 2010. See the people on the Mayor Pugh. Brave Boy. You see these people that knew? These are the members. McFadden knew. Yeah. Nathaniel, she knows. Everybody on this list knows. That's y'all's papers. I was kidnapped by the state because I was making a documentary about your prison industry and how you sell black bodies into the prison industry. That's Congressman Cummings. And he got everything about it. He got all my paperwork. And like I said, I'm making a movie. Ain't no Loggins making a movie. And I'm selling it. It's worth $136 million. The Democratic Party's for sale. You can go to President Trump. He got a copy of it. Secret Service Adams got a copy of it. Department of Justice, the NAACP, the ACLU, the Maryland Black Caucus. It's about your prison industry. Didi Shortman. That's the Department of Justice case number. I'm a whistleblower. All right? See the date? 2015. Privacy Act. 1402 Lochner. See the number? Senator Cardin, Attorney General, Illinois. That's the IG number in Illinois. Making a documentary. Filming a documentary. False imprisonment. See the date? Long before 2011. That's David Irwin. That's from 2007. That's my Storm Falls Road. The 1986 case, 86 CF. That was about the war on drugs right there. You can get that case. State of Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. I won that case. All right? Best of luck in your continuing efforts. David Irwin. See the date? It's making a movie about y'all. That's the Black Caucus. That's Ed Norris. That's 2009. That's Ed Norris. That's Bobby Zirkin. That's Thelma Branch. That's Tony Bridges, Governor O'Malley's liaison. Now he's Delegate Bridges. That's me and Judge Bridges. Washington, D.C. to visit. See the date? Social media for social change. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Instagram, and YouTube. That's the Department of Justice. Patrick Fitzgerald. Tampering with legal mail is a federal offense. That's me. Well, you had me incarcerated in Illinois. You kidnapped me in Illinois. I went home on vacation, came back on probation. Like I said, I'm Shorty. Prisoners' right advocate. All right? I work with Out for Justice, and we're going to get out to vote. That's Adam May, and y'all got to play that whole hour-and-a-half interview. The whole hour-and-a-half interview from Spring Grove. I'm with Out for Justice. It ain't going to be just us 2020. I asked for audit. That's Peter Francott. May 2016. All right. Y'all ain't did nothing about this. Peter Francott and Brian Frost are Democrats, and you're using your positions to protect the Democratic Party. You need a federal and state audit, and you need to protect my right to property. See how long you've been doing it? That's the case right there. 52 of his political connected friends, mainly Scott Shellenberger. Scott Shellenberger, your weakest link. Y'all charge Shellenberger, he gonna snitch on everybody else. That's real talk. Because see, here go the properties. Director of the IRS. All right? It's making a movie about y'all. And y'all signed off on this when I brung it to y'all. I'm a whistleblower. That's 2017. The 13th Amendment. So when I came to your office, I made sure you signed it off. All right? 2011, Baltimore County Police Department. State's Attorney Scott Shellenberger. A daily diary. Master copies. Social media for social change. And it's documented. Received, and I made you sign for it. August 13th, we had a meeting with Congressman Cummings. August 13th, we had a meeting with Congressman Cummings. And President Trump got it. Okay? Y'all got this. Mayor Stephanie Rawlings Blake got this. That's the director of the IRS. Because I want to audit on the money y'all been making off of black bodies since 2004. All right? Really 1997. Because like I said, I'm a prisoner's right advocate. And Jane Miller, that's an I-Team report request. And you ain't did nothing yet. That's Eric Holder. That's Governor Hogan and Al Retmer, the Insurance Incorporated. That's Governor Hogan, because Governor Hogan got this a lot. That's Scott Shellenberger. That's Governor Hogan. That's Mayor Stephanie Rawlings Blake, and that's Mayor Pugh. Now, Mayor Pugh get out of jail, she gonna be my witness. Or she can testify while she in jail. It don't matter. She can be a witness or a defendant. You can be a witness or a defendant. That's Jane Miller. You're going to be a witness or the defendant, and FCC can't protect you. You're going to be a defendant. Like I said, Scott Shellenberger is the weakest link. You get all my paperwork from Scott Shellenberger since 2008, and you're going to see that he's been shielding the corruption, racketeering, and fraud in the court. Mayor Pugh helped him out. Stephanie Rawlings Blake know about it. Governor Hogan and President Obama asked for an investigation, and the state of Maryland and the state of Illinois refused to do it. Congressman Cummings refused to do it. That's Eric Holder. That's the state's attorney in Maryland and Illinois. All right? Lake County. That's the Department of Justice. That's the Insurance Commission, because I was insured for $1 million. That's Brian Frost, the Attorney General. He had this since 2016. That's Mayor Pugh. Like I said, I had a meeting on August the 13th. That's Congressman Cummings' office. Government reform, judiciary, crime and drugs. I'm a veteran. Requesting the right to testify in Washington, D.C. That's Governor O'Malley when I started this in 2006. Get Shorty. That's Governor O'Malley and Get Shorty, 2006. It's making a movie and a documentary about y'all. Get Shorty. Get Shorty. Get Shorty. And you got Shorty. And you got more Shorty than you can stand. I told y'all when I came here, I was a finesse hustler. I don't need a gun to do what I do. I use a camera and a conversation. I use my mind. I earned the respect that I got in Baltimore. I earned the respect I got in Lake County. But like I said, the state of Maryland owes me $2.6 million in lost wages. The state of Maryland owes me $2.6 million in lost wages. The state of Maryland and the state of Illinois owe me $136 million for the movie Letters to Zion. I never got to make the movie. You knew the movie was about you. You had movie releases. You had knowledge. Yeah, you had knowledge. And I got proof. I got evidence. I'm a prisoner's right advocate. And I was making a movie about the prison industry. Ain't no law against that. Don't hate the player. hate the game. I need my money. I'm ready to leave. Deport Shorty 2020.